Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you can press and hold on the touch sensitive button right here, the line, to open the menu, and once you open the menu, scroll through it and find the settings icon. Once you select the settings icon, tap on it. Now, scroll through the menu and find this icon. Looks like the waves. Once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here we have the vibration menu, and we can scroll through the list of vibration levels. And once you select the one you like, tap on it, and then you can press on the touch sensitive button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.